Hey guys, I'm Malvina. This is my handsome, handy husband, Connor. And this is Finn, currently freeloading rent-free in my belly. Together, we're Alivo sailing, living aboard our 1977 Sea Raker 50, one of only 7 ever made. After years of prepping this old girl for the ocean, we finally left Marina del Rey in October 2024 and sailed south through Mexico, across the Pacific, and all the way to New Zealand. We've made some life-changing memories, seen some incredible things, and laughed a lot along the way. We are currently in California. Don't you worry, this is not the end of our sailing adventure, just a temporary pit stop. Because we've learned one very important thing about this lifestyle. Boats don't run on good vibes and pretty sunsets alone. As amazing as sailing around the world looks, the reality is that the cruising life takes a little bit of funding. So for now, we just got back to California, where we will work on refilling the cruising kitty and also taking on our biggest adventure yet, bringing our baby boy into the world and eventually raising him to be a strong little sailor. Well, it's been a long road to get here, although we came from the future, so even though we left Friday at 7 p.m. we have arrived before Friday 7 p.m. But anyways, we have arrived and where we will be staying for the next year. This is our humble oasis and we have already destroyed it by just throwing all of our stuff everywhere. But this is going to be our home away from our home. And look at that, Carolyn and Dan. Mom and Dad put a welcome home sign. How cute. Oh, hold on. This is Connor when he was a young little surfer.
With my brace face.
The brace face. So cute. So we got our own little kitchenette. Oh, Connor's already drinking a Coors. Of course.
Found one in the fridge. It might be from the wedding.
So cute. Our bedroom, where our little one will be. This is the first outfit I bought for our baby boy. Look at all the sailboats, just reminding us of where true home actually lays. Because you don't have jello feet.
Weird.
No jello
feet. It's weird to be in a nice big area.
You have to like walk
because you have to,
to
like,
one
walk
side.
And grab things. You can't just like grab everything you have all in one fell swoop. So. You know, I'll get my steps in. I'll get used to it though. Get in shape.
Hello everyone, just a little update because we have flown to beautiful California, leaving Alivo in New Zealand, in Whangarei at Norsan Boatyard, and we are just kind of finding our way and our routine in California. Connor's working his butt off. Like as soon as we landed, like I think the following week, he immediately went to work. I have decreased a little bit of my workload because I'm focusing on this baby growing and just staying nice and healthy. But right now we're just buckling down. So this is why we're pretty behind. I'm really behind on editing videos. So I'm slowly leaking everything. But if you have seen our Instagram, you already know that we're in California. So there is a delay in the production. So bear with me. I'm trying to catch up and have a ton of things to post, especially when I start giving birth. As you can tell, this baby is popping now. And it's just been so fun to feel all the kicks, and we couldn't be more excited. We are staying with Connor's family. We have a beautiful property here in Murrieta, California, and we feel so lucky and blessed to be here and a place to also not only deliver Finn here, but be able to raise him for at least through the summer and into the fall. And then October 2026, we'll be flying back to Alivo and then working our butts off to get her all ready for the future years. Yep, quite a few of you already caught on that we are way behind on these episodes, but life's been a little slower than when on the boat. So I'm pretty sure we don't need to post videos of how we've been working right now. But until we start the prep for flying back to New Zealand, here's what our little Thanksgiving looked like.
Wow. Malvina never forgets to stop and smell the flowers.
The pink one. Yes.
The pink one smells good?
The yellow ones were faint. Ooh, let's see the orange. Pink one was about second.
Look at me!
Specialty for Napa.
Gas station hot dogs. Here we go.
Hero, do you want a bun?
A bun's nice. I like them.
So good.
I like them. Buns is good. Live-o sailing for Thanksgiving. This is very different. We are in Napa Valley, having the time of our lives at these beautiful vineyards. A majority of all of Connor's family is here. Unfortunately, mine is not here, but I will see him for Christmas. And it is absolutely stunning here. The sun is out. Everyone's in a good vibe, good food, good family. I would say good wine, but not right now. Connor's sister lives out here in Napa, and this was the first time we all traveled to her, and she hosted us and gave us the golden tour of this wine hub.
Alright, I'm ready to go!
Okay, race!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving! Out here on the turkey trot, turkey walk.
We're I was gonna say bok, but it's
Gobble,
gobble. Yeah, just with the family on a nice little walk. This is so beautiful and so crisp and gorgeous. No sun today.
Very Thanksgiving feeling.
And just walking Finn. Finn woke me up super early this morning, kicking and punching. So he was ready for a walk. So we out here.
Ready for some turkey.
Yeah, ready for some turkey. We gotta make some space for the turkey, so walk first. Turkey trot. Go, Connor. I'll race ya! Alright, we're making the whole family make us Thanksgiving dinner, and what are we doing, guys?
Playing pickleball.
Pickleball. What are the teams?
Boys versus girls.
Old
Boys
folks
versus-
young folks.
Oh.
But first, let's see if the courts are open. Nice. Oh.
Look at this pregnant gal. Oh, go! Quite the show.
Oh, I haven't played soccer in a while.
You're doing better when you're pregnant than
I
when you're not.
guess. Oi. I think that was my worst throw. Alright, let's see if Connor could do better.
She got camera shy.
Oh. Oh, nice one.
It's a lot of peanut oil. Top chef over here. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Missed the takeout.
Sorry about that.
Look at that.
That is how it's
surgical with these maneuvers.
So cute.
Merry Christmas. Actually, it's supposed to be Happy Thanksgiving. It's not Christmas yet. But we're getting in that jolly spirit.
Believe it or not, we've been in California for, 2 weeks now, and we're just finally making it to the Holy Land.
And just like that, we have an episode next week to finale the year of 2025. From the beautiful pregnancy walks near where we are living, visiting family in Phoenix, and spending our Christmas break where I grew up, the glorious Maple Valley, Washington. And it will bring you one step closer to us launching back to New Zealand. So we want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day and see you next episode.